अष्टमी कक्षा एकादशः पाठः अश्वस्य स्वामिनिष्ठा means devotion of a horse to his master. So let us start. अश्वस्य स्वामिनिष्ठा मध्याह्न समय means midday. It is midday. सर्वत्र नीरवता means silence. सर्वत्र means everywhere silence. मार्गः अपि निर्मनुष्यः. मार्गः means road. निर्मनुष्यः means deserted by men. Even the road is deserted by men. तदा एव कोपि अश्वः मार्गे धावति. कोपि is संधि means कः plus अपि. अश्व means horse. मार्गे means road. Dhavati means running. At his time, only a certain horse is running along the road. Tasya ekah padah vranitah. Tasya means his. Padah means legs. Vranitah means wounded. One of his legs is wounded. Saha kashtena vedana sahate. Saha means he. Kashtena means difficulty. Vedana means pain. He is bearing the pain with difficulty. तथापि त्रिभि पादैः यथा कथमपि सः धावति. त्रिभि means three. पादैः means legs. यथा कथमपि सः धावति. In spite of this, he is running with his 3 legs. तस्य पृष्ठे उपविष्टः अस्ति तस्य स्वामी. तस्य means his. पृष्ठे means back. उपविष्ट means seated. तस्य स्वामी, his master. तस्य पृष्ठे उपविष्टः अस्ति तस्य स्वामी means his master is seated on his back. तस्य स्वामी शस्त्र प्रहारैः व्रणितः. तस्य स्वामी means master. शस्त्र प्रहारैः stroke of weapons. व्रणितः means wounded. His master is wounded with the stroke of weapons. अविरतं धावनेन अश्वः अतीवः श्रान्त जायते. अविरतः means continuously. धावनेन means running. अश्वः horse. अतीव means very. श्रान्तः means tired. जायते means as a result of continuously running, the horse become tired. सः वेगेन धावितुम् असमर्थः भवति. सः means he. वेगेन means fast. धावितुम् means run. असमर्थ means unable. He is unable to run fast. अतः मन्दं धावितुं प्रारभते. So अतः means so. मन्दं means slowly. धावितुं means running. प्रारभते means started. So he begins to run slowly. Param naiva viramati. But he does not stop at all. Param naiva means not at all. Viramati means stop, but he does not stop at all. Glossary. मध्याह्न समयः means time of midday. नीरवता silence. निर्मनुष्यः deserted by men. व्रणितः wounded. वेदना pain. उपविष्टः seated. स्वामी master. शस्त्र प्रहारैः stroke of weapons. अविरतं continuously. श्रान्तः tired. मन्दं slowly. Viramati stop. Translation. It is midday. There is a silence everywhere. Even the road is deserted by men. At his time, only a certain horse is running along the road. One of his legs is wounded. He is bearing the pain with difficulty. In spite of this, he is running with his three legs. His master is seated on his back. His master is wounded with the stroke of weapons. As a result of continuously running, the horse becomes tired. He is unable to run fast, so he begins to run slowly, but he does not stop at all. So he begins to run slowly, but he does not stop at all. Adhuna gramam samipe eva. Adhuna means now. Samipe means near. Adhunam gramam samipe eva. Now the village is near. Tatra swaminam nayami saurakshami cha. Saurakshami means protect. Tatra swamina nayami. Tatra means there. Swamina master. Nayami. Nayami means take. I shall take the master there and protect him. Param marge vistirnaha jalapravaha. Param, but. Marge. Marge means way. Vistirna jalapravaha. Large stream. But on the way, there is a large stream. Adhuna kim karniyam? Adhuna means now. Kim karniyam means what should be done. Now, what should be done? Iti chintayati ashvaha. Chintayati means thought. He thought. Kshinam vranitaha cha ashvaha tam ullangayattum asamarthaha. Kshinah vranitaha cha ashvaha tam ullangayitum asamarthaha. Kshina means exhausted. Pranitaha means wounded. Ashvaha horse. Tam ullangayitum asamartha. Asamartha means unable. Ullangayitum means cross. Exhausted and wounded, the horse is unable to cross it. Kintu samayaha alpaha. Kintu means but. Samayaha time. Alpaha means short. But time is short. कथमपि प्राणना अभिगण्य सह जल प्रवाहम उल्लंघयति. कथमपि means somehow. अभिगण्य सह जल प्रवाहम. Jala pravaham means the stream. Ullangayati. Ullangayati means crosses. Somehow, not caring even for his life, he crossed the stream. Somehow, not caring even for his life, he crosses the stream. Aparatiram gatva bhumo patati. Aparatiram means other bank. Gatva means going. Bhumo. Bhumo means bhumo patati means falls down. Going to the other bank, he falls down. Tena aghatena swami bhumo nipatati. Tena aghatena. As a result of that, aghatena means shock. Swami api bhumo nipatati. Swami means master. Bhumo nipatati falls on the ground. As a result of that shock, even his master falls on the ground. Kinchit kalanantaram swamim sangyam labhate. Kinchit kalanantaram means after some time. Swami means master. Sangyam labhate means consciousness. After some time, the master regains consciousness. Glossary. Adhuna means now. Samipe near. Saurakshami protect. Vistirna large. Kshina exhausted. Vranitaha wounded. Asamartha unable. Alpaha short. Kathamapi somehow. Aparatiram other bank. निपतति falls. संज्ञा लभते. Consciousness. Translation. He thinks, now the village is near. I shall take the master there and protect him. But on the way there is a large stream. Now what should be done? Exhausted and wounded, the horse is unable to cross it. But time is short. Somehow, not caring even for his life, he crosses the stream. Going to the other bank, he falls down. As a result of that shock, even his master falls on the ground. After some time, the master regains consciousness. सः अश्वस्य समीपे आगच्छति. सः means he. अश्वस्य समीपे, समीपे means near. अश्व means horse. आगच्छति means comes. He comes near the horse. स्नेहेन अश्वस्य शरीरं स्पृशति. स्नेहेन means affectionately. अश्वस्य शरीरं, शरीरं means body. स्पृशति means touches. He touches the horse affectionately. भूमौ पतितः अश्वः अपि स्वामिनं पश्यति समाधानेन प्राणान् त्यजति च. भूमौ पतित falls on the ground. Ashvah horse. Swaminam pashyati look at his master. Samadhanena means satisfaction. Pranana त्यजति means died. भूमौ पतितः अश्वः अपि स्वामिनं पश्यति समाधानेन प्राणान् त्यजति च means the horse fallen on the ground look at the master and died with the satisfaction. कः एषः नृपः? Who is his king? कः एषः नृपः? Who is his king? ज्ञायते वा? ज्ञायते means known. Is he known to you? सः एव महाराणा प्रतापः. सः means he. He is none other than Maharana Pratap. राजस्थान राज्यस्य मेवाड़ प्रदेशस्य नृपश्रेष्ठः. The great king means नृपश्रेष्ठः. नृपश्रेष्ठः means the great king. राजस्थान राज्यस्य मेवाड़ प्रदेशस्य नृपः श्रेष्ठः. राजस्थान राज्यस्य, राज्य means state. नृपः श्रेष्ठ means the great king. The great king of the province of Mewar in the state of Rajasthan. कः एषः स्वामी भक्तः अश्वः? कः means who. एषः means this. स्वामी भक्त means devoted and ashvah means horse. Who was this horse? एषः means this. चेतकः name of this horse. एषः चेतकः नाम अश्वः. He was a horse by the name Chetaka. अश्वेषु आदर्शभूतः सः. अश्वेषु आदर्शभूतः सः. He is the ideal among the horses. आदर्शभूतः means ideal. तस्य स्मृत्यर्थं निर्मितं समाधिस्थलं मेवाड़ प्रान्ते विराजते. समाधिस्थलं means tomb. स्मृत्यर्थं means memory. तस्य स्मृत्यर्थं निर्मितं समाधिस्थलं मेवाड़ प्रान्ते विराजते. A tomb erected in his memory is there in the province of Mewar. धन्य स्वामी राणा प्रतापः. धन्यः च स्वामी भक्तः अश्वः चेतकः. धन्य means blessed. स्वामी राणा प्रतापः. Blessed is the master Maharana Pratap. धन्य च स्वामी भक्त अश्वः चेतकः. And blessed is the horse Chetaka who was devoted to his master. Swami Bhakta means devoted to his master. Glossary. Snehena affectionately. Sprishyati touches. Pashyati looks. Samadhanena satisfaction. Nrupaha king. Nyayate known. Ashvaha horse. Adarshabhutaha ideal. Samadhi tomb. Dhanya blessed. Swami Bhaktaha, devoted to his master. Translation: he comes near the horse, he touches the horse affectionately. The horse, fallen on the ground, looks at his master and dies with satisfaction. Who is his king? Is he known to you? He is none other than Maharana Pratap, the great king of the province of Mewar in the state of Rajasthan. Who was his horse? He was a horse by the name Chetak. He is the ideal among the horses. A tomb erected in his memory is there in the province of Mewar. Blessed is the master Maharana Pratap, and blessed is the horse Chetak, who was devoted to his master. Understood? So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so that others can learn. And also subscribe my channel to regular update about the course. धन्यवादः.